This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beignets without yeast. This quick and easy method allows you to enjoy these delightful treats much faster than traditional recipes. We'll be using baking powder as our leavening agent, which gives the beignets a wonderful, airy texture without any lengthy proofing time. You'll be surprised how simple it is to achieve that classic, puffy beignet experience right in your own kitchen, ready to enjoy in under 30 minutes. First, gather your dry ingredients, about 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt and sugar. Whisk these together in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry, stirring until a soft, slightly sticky dough forms. Avoid overmixing. Just combine until no dry streaks remain. Let the dough rest for about 15 minutes. Now for the exciting part, frying. Pour about 3 to 4 inches of neutral oil into a deep pot and heat it to between 350 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oil heats, roll your rested dough on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thick. Cut the dough into 2-inch squares or rectangles. Carefully drop a few pieces into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pot. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they puff up and turn a beautiful golden brown. Once your beignets are perfectly golden, use a slotted spoon to transfer them to a wire rack set over a baking sheet. This allows any excess oil to drain away, keeping them light and crisp. While they are still warm, generously dust them with confectioner's sugar. The warmth helps the sugar adhere beautifully. Beignets are truly best enjoyed fresh, so serve them immediately with your favorite coffee or a simple dipping sauce. Enjoy your homemade, yeast-free treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.